I thought this was a pretty tricky question. We've got a solid cube held up to the light. How many of the following shapes could its shadow have? So let's imagine this is our eye, and we're looking out at this cube. And if it sort of looks we just have it straight on. So the square face is actually facing our eye, and then the light shines from behind. Then on the wall, it would look exactly just like a square. So that one is definitely going to be possible. It's just a square that's been rotated. C actually is not possible because this is a really small height. It's almost like we've chopped the cube somewhere. Then that is what it would look like. D is a bit like if we kind of moved our eye to here and looked at it, because you could draw these lines in on it. You would get this sort of hexagon shape if you look at it from a certain angle. So that is going to be possible as well. And then the last one, probably the trickiest one I think to get your head around, is if we looked at it, say from like we looked exactly at this sort of towards this corner. Remember, the light is now going to be shining behind us. That's how I'm sort of treating it here. Then we could get, so this could be one edge of the cube coming down. It's sort of going off into the page actually. So that means the height is going to end up looking like it's bigger than the one that's going into the direction. If you sort of took any sort of cube, a Rubik's cube or something like that, then hopefully you can see what I'm talking about. So that one is going to be possible as well. I guess at the end of the day, just grab a cube and see if you can make these shapes if you can't quite visualize it. But overall, there's going to be three of these shapes that's possible and this one that's not.